Hi there, my name's Richard from C1M, bringing you another video, and today is all about buying the dip. Before I get started on the video, make sure you subscribe below to keep up to date with the daily videos coming out. Also in the description you're going to see links to our website c1m.io, which will give you all the information you need to be able to trade on Binance, whether it's the spot or the futures market. All the education is for free. And we also have links to Binance to set up your account and everything that you need. So subscribe below and check out the links in our description. Buying the dip. Well, it depends on your strategy and what you're looking at. But, generally we want to buy low and sell high. And that is what the kind of concept of buying the dip is. And we are experiencing a dip now, and we have been for a little bit of time. So I'm looking on the day candles here of Bitcoin. What goes up will come down. And we did reach up to nearly 64,000 on the futures markets. For the last, since that all-time high in April, we've come down and down and down and down, and we're now here. And the reason why I'm doing this video on buying the dip is the video that I put out yesterday. I said that Bitcoin should, come down to around 30. It did, 30,800 or something, but it's showing very, very good support around this area that it did previously at the start of the year. We had these wicks, but this is retested this support time and time again. And actually what I've just put out in our community, which again you can join through our website, is a chart pattern on the 1 hour candles, which shows me that we are definitely moving back up, at least for the next couple of days. We have the shoulder here, we have the head, we have the shoulder. This is an inverse head and shoulders pattern, and it's a bullish signal because we come down and down and down and down. This low is lower than this low. This low is higher than this low. So it just shows that as we've been coming down so much, a bit of a turn in the tide, let's say, and we're going to start moving our way back up. This doesn't mean we're going to be coming up and up and up and up and up. I think at least for the next few days we're going to come up to around the 38,000 region, and then we may come back down to test this support level. It does depend on your strategy and what you are planning on doing. So, with the spot market itself, you can look at Bitcoin or Ripple or ADA and go, right, this is a great price. I'm going to buy X amount of coins, and I'm just going to sit on it for a week or for a month, for a year, and then I'm going to sell at a higher price. Well, now is a great time. I've got friends that, or students, people that are getting involved in crypto a month or so ago. The market's come down 40-50%. So it's only going to come down a bit more before really starting to rally up. This is a natural retracement. Natural. It needed to happen because it's been going up and up and up for so long. And we're only in June, and it's very... it's a very bullish sign, really. The Bitcoin halving happened about just over a year ago. And historically, it's about a year to a year and a half before these huge surges, like in 2017, that we have in the market. So I think we're actually where we're at ahead of the time that we should be at, if that was actually made any sense. What I'm trying to say is, with Corona and everything going on around the world, digital currency, has been in the limelight a lot more, and I think the heights that we saw, we reached it quicker. What I will come on to now, and I'll update this during the week, and I'll be bringing out different coins that I'm looking at, but we are looking here at Ripple, and I'm a big fan of Ripple. Back in April, when Bitcoin was at its highest, Ripple almost got to $2. A few years ago, it got up to $3.50. So the thing with Ripple is it was so, you can see this resistance line here from November all the way through. It struggled to get through the 65 cents. It tried there, it tried here, it tried here. And then finally in April, it plowed through, and we had some very, very, very big gains. Over 200%. Obviously, a lot of coins moving a lot. But Ripple itself, again, finding support, very similar charting to Bitcoin, because a lot of these coins do follow Bitcoin. When Bitcoin's coming down, they come down. When Bitcoin moves up, etc. But I am feeling if Bitcoin is going to do what I'm saying it's going to do, then we do have quite a bit of movement for Ripple, not only to get to where it was in April, but really to go back to its all-time high and past that up to around $3.50, and but by the end of the year, around $10. So big gains to be had with Ripple, and it did so little for so long, and in comparison to the market and all of the coins that were at new all-time highs and new territories, Ripple was on the way there. But with the Bitcoin pullback and market crash, Ripple has pulled back 87 cents, but it's going to bounce back very strong. So, to summarize, buying the dip, you're never going to get it spot on. It depends on the strategy. Again, this is all stuff that we talk through in our education and part of our coaching program at c1m.io. If you're in a position where you want to just invest and not really do day trades and just sit on it and wait, then now is a fantastic time. Bitcoin should go back up to 60k by the end of the year, maybe even up to 100k. There's still a lot of months left and still a lot of bullish activity to be had. So that is the video about buying the dip. Again, make sure you subscribed. I'll be banging out some daily videos regarding the markets, updates on what I've said, and coins that I'm looking at. Thank you very much for watching, and happy trading.